Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Global Millet Conference held in New Delhi, says India's millet mission to be a blessing for 2.5 crore small farmers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina inaugurates first India-Bangladesh energy pipeline. Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting Anurag Singh Thakur calls upon the media to create an effective mechanism to counter fake narratives. And hailstorm lashes Mushrath village at West Jaintia Hills district, several houses damaged. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed confidence that the Shri Anna will benefit the country's 2.5 crore marginal farmers by strengthening the rural economy through its market and associated ecosystem. Speaking after inaugurating the Global Millets Shri Anand conference held in New Delhi today, he underlined that the climate-resilient quality of millets can help in fighting problems related to water crisis. Prime Minister has stressed the need for developing a stable mechanism for sharing agricultural practices of millet cultivation among friendly countries.
भारत के प्रस्ताव और प्रयासों के बाद ही संयुक्त राष्ट्र ने 2023 को इंटरनेशनल मिलेट ईयर घोषित किया है। जब हम इसे किसी संकल्प को आगे बढ़ाते हैं तो उसे सिद्धि तक पहुंचाने की जिम्मेदारी भी उतनी ही अहम होती है। मुझे खुशी है कि आज विश्व जब इंटरनेशनल मिलेट ईयर मना रहा है तो भारत इस अभियान की अगुवाई कर रहा है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina today inaugurated the first India-Bangladesh energy pipeline via video conferencing. It will be the first cross-border pipeline between India and Bangladesh that has been built at an estimated cost of rupees 377 crore. The total cost includes the expenditure of rupees 285 crore incurred on laying the portion of the Bangladesh site. The pipeline has a capacity to transport 1 million metric ton per annum of high-speed diesel. It will supply high-speed diesel initially to 7 districts in northern Bangladesh. Union Minister Anurag Singh Thakur today called upon the media to create an effective mechanism to counter fake narratives and anti-India bias. Noting that the fourth pillar of India's democracy is strong and vibrant, he said the media is working shoulder to shoulder for making the country a Vishwa Guru. Thakur was addressing a function to mark the valedictory of the centenary celebrations of Mathur Bhumi Malayalam Daily in Kochi today. The Seng Samla Umkhte Pulun and members of the Kasi Students' Union Umkhte unit have condemned the insensitivity of a few individuals involved in poisoning a tributary of the Umyam Lake at Umkhte Pulun village, Darbar and the Umrai in Ribhoi district that led to the death of many fish species. The matter to light after a delegation of Seng Samla Shnong Umkhte Pulun and the KSU Umkhte unit yesterday visited the spot on the basis of an information received from some local youths. The Secretary of the Seng Samla Shnong Umkhte Pulun, Cornelius Lingdo, and the Secretary of KSU Umkhte Unit, Richard Lingdo Nonglat, informed that they were trying to trace the person involved in poisoning of the river, and if found, they were to be handed over to the competent authority for legal action. Hailstorm today created havoc in Mushrath village under West Jaintia Hills district. The hailstorm lashed the village and as a result several houses were damaged. Standing crops also got damaged due to nature's fury. No casualty was reported. series of events was held yesterday and as part of the World TB Day 2023 with the theme Yes We Can End TB at West Giant Hills District. A street play was organized on occasion account of World TB at Yautame La Thalabo. The street play was performed by staff nurse from Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital in the presence of officer in charge officers from the health department. The program was initiated under the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program of District Health Society West Giant Hills District. BSF Meghalaya organized a mega medical camp under Civic Action Program at Holy Cross School, Umkyang, East Giant Hills. Altogether, 18 doctors from various institutions including BSF gave free consultation to patients and also distributed free medicines. The medical camp was inaugurated by Dr. J. Sinha, DIG Frontier Headquarter Meghalaya. BSF also distributed computers for schools in the presence of Abhilash Barnwal, Deputy Commissioner, East Giant Hills District, and Sanjay Sharma, Commandant 172BN BSF.
आयुष के भी आए हैं, एलोपैथिक के भी आए हैं, एलोपैथिक के तो अलग अलग स्पेशलिटीज आई हैं, सारे आए। देखिए ये बात चल ही रही है इस पीएचसी को, कलियाट के पीएचसी को सीएचसी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, जैसा कि साहब ने बताया वो हो रहा है, उसमें काम चल रहा है और होपफुल कि ये जल्दी ही कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा।
And now let's have a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature 19.4 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 10.6 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 80% and in the evening 90%. Forecast light rain is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now let's have a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Global Millets Conference held in New Delhi, says India's millet mission to be a blessing for 2.5 crore small farmers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina inaugurate first India-Bangladesh energy pipeline. Union Minister of INB Anurag Singh Thakur calls upon the media to create an effective mechanism to counter fake narratives. And hailstorm lashes Mashrut village at West Giant Hills District, several houses damaged. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.